Okay, so let's see example 1.9. It is given z is equal to x plus iy. Actually having the same thing as x plus yi, and given that real, okay, it is rez here, which is represented as a real of z. Real of z is equal to 1, and imaginary of 1 over z is equal to 1 over 2. Find z. Okay, so first put it down what they have here. Okay, so put it down here what you have, which is z is equal to x plus x plus yi, and it is given to you real of z here, it will be equal to 1, and imaginary of 1 over z here, it will be equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So let's do it one by one, and the question asking for the z, right? Okay, so now dia dah cakap dah real of z. Real of z. Z kita siapa kat sini? Real of z is equal to 1. So real of z. Z here x plus yi. So siapa kita punya real adalah kita punya x ini. So it means x is equal to 1. So we already have the answer, which is the z here. It will be equal to 1 plus yi. Now our job is we want to find the y. So and then the next one, it is said here, imaginary of 1 over z here, it will be equal to 1 over 2. So let's sit together. Let 1 over z. So let's sit together. We will be having 1 over z. Solvekan dulu 1 over z. 1 over z is equal to 1 over with 1 plus yi. Is it right? So 1 plus yi here. And then we are having this 1 plus yi. So what can we do? We are going to multiply with a conjugate, of course. So multiply with a conjugate, we will be having 1 minus yi over with 1 minus yi. So so we are going to simplify this one. We will be having 1 minus yi over with, so here we will be having 1 minus with a we will be having y squared and then I squared, right? So you will be having that one, right? So then the next one, we can solve this one. So we will be having 1 minus yi over with, we will be having 1 plus with y squared. So you'll be having this one, is it right? So therefore, simplify this one. So you'll be having 1 over with 1 plus y squared minus with y over with 1 plus y, y squared I. So if you try to look at here, this is our real parts. Okay, this is our real parts, and this is our imaginary parts. Okay, and it's already said here, imaginary of 1 over z is equal to 1 over 2, right? So we are going to take the imaginary part, which is this one. We are going to take the imaginary parts, which is y over with 1 plus y squared. It will be equal to 1 over 2. So we are going to assume this one. So now our job is you need to find the y. How can you find the y? Okay, I'm gonna just stop the video until here. Try to find the y for me. Of course, not for me. Actually, it is for you. So I'm going to continue. Not continue. Okay, so we are going to continue. So I hope you're already done trying to find y. So the y, it will be equal to, which is this one, 2y is equal to 1 plus y squared, and we are going to have y squared minus 2y plus with 1. So the y is equal to 1 here. So you already got your y just now, right? And you already have your x just now is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So therefore, the z here is equal to 1 plus I here. Okay? Sorry, 1 minus I. Okay, so tadi asal dia ni kan. So we will be having this one. Okay, so therefore you already got the answer there. So let's proceed. Which is for the last example. For the last example, so show that complex number can be expressed in the form of lambda here 1 minus I, which means you need to find the lambda, where the lambda is a real. Hence, show that 2 minus 3i over 5 minus I is a real, and determine its value. Okay, so in this case, what can you do? Which is nak you kena gunakan, what can I say about it? Which is your conjugate lah. What is it? 2 minus 3i. What you have at 2 minus 3i over with 5 minus I here. And then what can you have? Multiply with a conjugate 4 plus I here, 5 plus I here. Okay, actually I'm going to have a little bit bigger bracket maybe. So I'm going to have this one over with 5 plus I here. Okay, multiply with a conjugate. Already solved it for you, so I hope you already stopped the video previous one. So please try to find the conjugate by your own. So I will expand it one by one, so you'll be having this one. After you did some simplification, so you need to simplify. You'll be having 13 minus 13i over 36. Simplify this one, so you'll be having, as I told you, we are going to make it into the form of in the form of complex number, right? So you'll be having 13 over 26 minus 13 over 26i. Simplify this one. Actually, you can factor out the 1 over 2 outside, so you'll be having 1 minus i here. So therefore, you already got the answer, this one. And as for the next question, which is hence show that 2 minus 3i over 5 minus i. Look at here, we are having power of 4 is real and it means value. So actually, you just need to multiply, okay, one by one. What can I say about here? Which is we'll be having what you have there. 2 minus 3i over 5 minus i, right? So just do it, make it squared. Okay, expandkan yang ni pertama dulu. So what you have there, so you'll be having 2 minus 3i over 5 minus I here, multiply with a 2 minus 3i over 5 minus I here, and having the same thing again, multiplykan lagi sekali, dapat jawapan yang ni. Dah dapat jawapan, so you are going to multiply again with the same thing there. So therefore, you can get the answer, which is negative 1 over 4. So please make sure you try it by your own there. So we are done for topic 1. Please make sure, so this is just some summary. I already explained a little bit in the brief. First class natural number, integers, rational, which is a real number. I'm just going to proceed real number. We have irrational number. So everything here under the complex number. Okay. So then the next one, which is yes, we already have the tutorial questions here. Okay. Make sure, please, you must do it by your own there. Okay. So that's all for our topic 1.